بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now again, the EVNG is another virtual platform similar to your GNS3. Now we can go to the download evng.net website and you can download this EVNG from here, from the official website, where this is a kind of simple VM file. You need to download this VM file, and then inside the VMware, like let's say here, I do have this VMware. So you simply go and open up this one. Open the Eve file. Like here you can see I do have this Eve already installed here. So go to File and Open. Let me see if where I have this stored. So once you download this EVNG, normally it will be like this OVA format file. You just need to click on this, and then just you need to select where you want to import, just like you do any other VMs. Browse and select, and then you click on import. Once you click on import, then you'll see something like this. And you can set the RAM, memory, and the process settings depending upon what is your performance of your machine. Like this one is on my laptop. It's running around 16 GB RAM. So I'm allocating around 6 GB for this. For doing the basic labs, and you can click on power on. Once you click on power on, it's going to open up. Let me close the other GNS3 if I have, because I don't need GNS3 here. So it's going to power on, and depending upon your network settings, it will automatically get one IP address, and that's how it will load. So here it's by default connecting to my network, the bridge, which means it's going to connect to my physical network, the wireless network which I'm using. I'm using something like 192.168.15.subnet. And it's going to get an IP from that subnet. You can see 192.168.15.38. So the default login will be root and EVE. That is a default login for the command line. And if you know some commands, you can use command line as well. And if you want to go to the GUI, now this is the VM which is going to run at the back end. And if you want to open up the Eve, then you have to use any of your browser. So probably for most of these things, I'll use Mozilla. Or you can use any of your browsers. So even I can use this one, where I need to type in the IP address of 15.38. I think that's an IP of my Eve. And it's going to log in the username, admin, and the password is Eve. That is a default login username and the password. Click on sign in. That's how you log in. So you can see already I have some few labs here which are running. So there are few labs like ASA clustering, or few labs which doesn't work on GNS3 VM. So now this is what you will see, the main page. And from here you can add a new file, add a new lab, let's say sample1, and click on save. And from here you can go ahead and add the devices, just like you do in the GNS3. You right click and add the node. And now the problem comes, depending upon what images are loaded, you will see only those images. Like here you can see the highlighted option. You can see the Arista is highlighted, ASA and ASAV. I can run this too. And also I can run the iOS routers, the IOL, the default 40 GB or whatever you download from the website, they have the predefined few images support with them. So even I can run iOS V, iOS, these options. These are the options available. So if you want to run any other options, then probably you need to add the images. So now from here, depending upon the devices, like I said, if you want to run routers, switches, no problem. ASA, you can run routers, you can run routers and switches, IOL options, iOS V as well you can run. So as long as you are within the routers and switching part and some security like ASA, this works fine. And if you want to run some service provider like XR, then again, you need to upload the XRV image. Again, if you want to use any Palo Alto, Juniper, you need to add these things. Now from here onwards, again, you have to refer the the Eve website from where you will find the documentations. Now in the documentations, again, assuming that you already have the images, now you can see the list of images it supports. And also you will have some how-to videos where you can find some video tutorials to use the options. Even there is a specific professional cookbook. Probably it has all the steps. You can refer that as well. And also with installation, if you want to see the installation process, you can find all the documentations over there. So you can refer that. I'm just giving you the main part, what is required for you. And probably documentation part, again, you have to see here, how-tos. Now, when you go to how-tos here, now here you can find the different images. A similar way here, if I search for Viptela, if I want to set up Viptela, Cisco SD-WAN, now you have to use this URL to open up, and how to load. Now you have steps here. So similar way, any device you want to set up, like XR, you have these images which are supported, and then you need to follow some command lines to upload the images. So there is a specific process. I'll show you that probably in a separate video, separate class. But this is a kind of an overview of the Eve.